How to fix YouTube homepage not showing videos problem. Let's get started. First thing you want to do is check the server status of YouTube. For that, launch your preferred browser and navigate to the website down detector, search for YouTube. You're gonna see the graph. If you found out any outages, you'll need to wait until the problem will be resolved. If there is no issue, you can hit towards if there is no issue, you can follow these steps. First, you can update your YouTube app. For that, launch your Play Store or App Store. Then, search for the app YouTube. After app appears, if you find the option of update, just click on it and update the app to its latest version. Likewise, next thing you want to do is check your internet connection. Launch settings, enable for the option airplane mode, wait for a few minutes and then disable it. This will refresh your network. Likewise, you can switch between networks, Wi-Fi and mobile data. Then head towards the option VPN. Make sure you are not connected to any VPN. With this solution, your problem might be fixed. If still you are having the issue, launch your YouTube, navigate to the U page, click on the settings option given at the top right, navigate to the option manage all history, click on the option delete and remove all the history. So these are some fixes for YouTube homepage not showing videos problem. If this guide helped you out, don't forget to like, share and subscribe.